Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, whenever we apply any visa, a question comes in our mind about the processing time. And for Australia, where like thousands of people apply, this question comes in everyone's mind. Earlier, like what they used to do is like on their official page of the visa category, let's say surplus 600, they used to display. But now they have provided a visa processing time guide tool. So this is what we are going to walk through in this video. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this visa processing guide tool. Here you need to select which visa type you have applied. You can search it with subclass, okay, like 600 if I search. Then particular stream under that, like tourist. And when you have applied. So let's say you have applied on 1st Jan. Check it. So your application is in within standard processing time. Okay. You can always check, like I can go for, let's say, August. So this has gone outside standard processing time. Okay. So in this way, you can check whether your application is within the standard processing time or not. And that's how you can get an idea how long it may take for your application to get finalized. Of course, every application is different, and there is no way somebody can tell you how exactly it will proceed in terms of timeline, but you get an idea here. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.